Heathrow Airport has revealed its proposed master plan for 2015, including its third runway, which they hope will be operational by 2026. Most of the people that have been opposing it have sort of pulled out of it, and it seems now likely that the project is going to go ahead. They've opened up the proposal for the public to view and to give their public comment on it, but it seems like whatever happens now, it's going to go ahead. They've got some amazing pictures, and I'll just let you check out these pictures and see what Heathrow will be like in about 30 years' time.